Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial, we are going to provide a solution to this rational equation. So if you are new here, consider subscribing, press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new content, and don't forget to share to your learning colleagues. All right, let's get started. The equation is x minus 4 divided by x minus 5 plus x minus 6 divided by x minus 7 equal to 10 divided by 3. I would like to simplify the left hand side first. So we can take this and multiply by this. So we have x minus 4 multiplied by x minus 7, right? Then plus, you take this, you multiply by this. That will give us x minus 5 multiplied by x minus 6. The whole of this divide by the product of these two. So we have x minus 5 multiplied by x minus 7. And this is equal to 10 divided by 3. So now let us expand this parenthesis, this and this. Let's start with the first two. If you can remember your quadratic expression, you take x, you multiply by x, that will give us x squared. Then you add the constant together. If you add this, you get negative 11x. Then you multiply the constants, you get positive 28. Move to the next one. X times x is x squared. Add the constants. Negative 5, negative 6 is negative 11. Then you attach your x. Then you multiply them together. You get negative 5 times negative 6 is positive 30. You divide. X times x is x squared. Add the constants together. We have negative 12. Then you multiply them together. You get positive 35. And this is equal to 10 divided by 3. Let us collect the like terms. X squared, that would be 2x squared. Then the x's, negative 11 is negative 22. Then we have this and this, which is going to give us 58. Divide by x squared minus 12x plus 35. And this is equal to 10 divided by 3. Now we are going to cross multiply. So this is 10x squared minus 12x plus 35. This is equal to 3 multiplied by 2x squared minus 22x plus 58. So let's expand. We have 10 times x squared, that is 10x squared, minus 12 times 10 is 120x, then plus 350 as constant. This is equal to 3 multiplied by 2 is 6x squared. Then 3 multiplied by negative 22 is negative 66x. Then plus 3 multiplied by 58, that is 174. All right. I would like to take all terms to the left hand side. So we have 10x squared here. As this crosses over, it becomes negative 6x squared. We have minus 120x. As this crosses over, it becomes positive 66x. We have 350. As this crosses over, it becomes negative 174. And everything will be equal to 0. 10 minus 6 is 4, so we have 4x squared right here. Negative 120 plus 66, that will give us negative 54, right? 54x plus 350 minus 174, that will give us 176. This is equal to 0. All right, let me see. I think we have a common factor of 2. So let's reduce all of them. The whole of this divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2, so we have 2x squared here. Minus 54 divided by 2, that would be 27x, plus 176 divided by 2 is 88. This is equal to 0. Now we have a quadratic equation. How can we factorize it? I'm going to show you a shortcut to do that. You can take the leading coefficient, which is 2, and you multiply by the constant, which is 88. Once you multiply these two together, let me write it here, 2 multiplied by 88, this will give us 176. Now you have to think of two numbers, which when you multiply them together, you're going to get this value right here, that is 176. But the moment you add the two numbers together, you shall obtain negative 27. And the numbers are negative 16 and negative 11. Once you multiply these two numbers together, you shall obtain this. And the moment you add them together, you shall obtain this one. So how can we factorize it? We're going to take x minus the first one here, which is negative 16. But make sure to divide by the leading coefficient, which is 2. Multiply by x, then the second one minus 11. Divide by the leading coefficient, and everything will be equal to 0. This implies that either x minus 16 divided by 2 is 8, right? That is x minus 8 equal to 0, or x minus 11 divided by 2 equals 0. If you take this one to the other side, it becomes positive, so x equals 8, or x equals positive 11 divided by 2, and hence this is said to be the solution to this problem. As simple as that. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. The only thing I forgot to mention here is the domain. Remember that the bottom can never be equal to 0. Therefore, x cannot be 5 and x cannot be 7. And you can clearly see that none of these values is equal to either 5 or 7. As simple as that. So let me include it here. X cannot be 5 and x cannot be 7. Bye-bye.